Yes, Prabhu.
I'm just recording it as well.
Prabhu, should I share the screen
Yeah,
for the
you can.
commitments?
Yes, you can share the screen, Prabhu.
Prabhu, I think it needs some permission.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah, Prabhu.
Prabhuji,
Just give
after
me a minute.
20 minutes, the call might disconnect. I'll again start the call because
Gaurav Prabhu, this
Yes.
share screen permission is not there, Prabhu. Can
Okay.
you give that? It says host disabled.
Okay. No, now you can share. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Can you all see my screen?
Yes,
you all
we
see
can.
my screen?
We can see it.
Yes, we can see.
Yes, Prabhu.
Sure, sure.
Okay, so first we will first Shraddhavan. Okay, you can all repeat after me. I will fulfill the following standards of
I will following standards of
devotional service,
devotional services,
devotional
and I
service,
shall receive the blessings of
and I shall receive the blessings of
Sri Sri Jagannath,
Sri Jagannath,
Baldev,
Baldev,
and Devi Subhadra,
and Devi
and
Subhadra,
Devi Subhadra,
Sri Sri Gauranitai,
Shri
Sri
Gauranga,
Gauranitai,
and Srila Prabhupada
and Srila
and
Prabhupada
Srila Prabhupada
to practice Krishna consciousness
to practice
practice Krishna consciousness
as a Shraddhavan.
as a
as a Shraddhavan.
I will chant at least one round of
I will
And at least one round of
the Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day.
the Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day.
I will read the teachings of Lord Krishna
I will
I will read the teachings of Lord Krishna
as given in the books of Srila Prabhupada.
as
as
given in the
given in the book of Srila Prabhupada.
I will be an active devotee
I will be an active devotee
in the temple's congregation.
in
in the temple's congregation.
That is,
that is
That is,
I will visit the temple as often as possible
I will visit the temple as often as possible
and participate and associate with Krishna conscious programs
and participate and associate with Krishna conscious program
in the temple.
in the temple.
Gaurav Prabhu,
Yeah. So
you can go
thanks.
to the next one.
Yeah.
Thank
Thanks,
you all.
devotees. So you all will get your digital certificate from Kripamay Gauranga Prabhu after this session. So we'll either send it over WhatsApp group, all your certificates, or over email. So I will just check if we have all the devotees for
For,
4 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
yeah.
So Bhakta Shri Varshini, I've seen her earlier. I'll just quickly check. Hare Krishna. Pranita Mataji, I've seen her. She's also here. Nima Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Sujata Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Shivani Shivani Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Mahalakshmi Mataji. Mahalakshmi Mataji, you there? Sorry, might be your voice is breaking. Mahalakshmi Mataji, you there? Okay. So I think other than Mahalakshmi Mataji, we have all the other devotees. So yes, Prabhu, you can read out the Siksha commitment for 4 rounds. And I would request all the other devotees to go on mute, and only those devotees who are taking 4 rounds of Siksha commitment, they should repeat along with the Sarnan Prabhu, and they need to fulfill all the commitment that they have taken by praying to Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra.
Commitments for Krishna Sevaka, 4 rounds. In addition to fulfilling the above mentioned commitments of Shraddhavan,
In addition to fulfilling the above-mentioned commitments of Shraddhavan,
I will fulfill the following additional standards of devotional service
I will fulfill the following additional standards of devotional service
and shall receive the blessings of
and shall receive the blessings of
Sri Sri Jagannath,
Sri Sri Jagannath,
Baladev,
Baladev,
and Devi Subhadra
and Devi Subhadra
to practice Krishna consciousness as a Krishna Sevaka.
to practice Krishna consciousness as a Krishna Sevaka.
I will chant at least 4 rounds of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day.
I will chant at least 4 rounds of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day.
I will refrain from eating non-vegetarian food.
I will refrain from eating non-vegetarian food,
Meat, fish, and eggs,
meat, fish, and eggs,
and try to lead a moral life.
and try to lead a moral life.
I will be dedicated to personal improvement in devotional practice
I will be dedicated to personal improvement of devotional practice
and purity
and purity
by gradually applying the teachings of
by gradually applying the teachings of
Srila Prabhupada
Srila Prabhupada
under the guidance of his representatives.
under the guidance of his representatives.
I will accept that
I will accept the Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Lord Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
I will engage in
I will engage in
practical devotional service to Lord Krishna
practical devotional service to Lord Krishna
at the ISKCON temple
at the ISKCON temple
during festivals
during festivals
such as Janmashtami, Rath Yatra, etc.
such as Sri Krishna Janmashtami, Ratha Yatra, etc. Festivals such as Sri Krishna Janmashtami, Ratha Yatra, etc.
Thank you all. So you'll be getting the certificates by WhatsApp or email.
Shabnan Prabhu, is it possible for you to share Lord Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, Maharani as well?
Sure. Prabhu.
So just one correction, Meera Mataji is for 4 round. I mentioned her name in the 8 rounds. So yeah, so I think, but Meera Mataji has joined and took commitment for 4 rounds.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mahalakshmi Mataji is unable to contact it to get into Zoom. So she just messaged me.
Okay, no issues. We'll have Pransakhi Mataji conduct her Siksha separately, and we'll give her the certificate.
Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you.
Okay, Mataji, thanks.
Hare Krishna Prabhu?
Yes, we can see it.
Yeah, Prabhu.
You all can take darshan of Lord Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra Maharani to give you the spiritual strength so that you all can practice devotional services, and you will be able to follow the commitments for which you have took this Siksha ceremony commitments. Hare Krishna. So then for 8 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we have Lavanya Mataji, Satyam Mataji, and Rohini Mataji. So I would like to know if they are present here. Rohini Mataji, Lavanya Mataji. You all can speak yes or Hare Krishna if you are here.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yeah, Satyam Mataji is there. Lavanya Mataji and Rohini Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay.
Can you hear me, Prabhuji?
Yeah. I can hear you. Rohini Mataji, right?
Yeah.
Lavanya Mataji. I'm not sure if any devotees facing some technical issues, they can let us know and we can have maybe uh, have the separate siksha for them done by Pransakhi Mataji.
Yeah, I think Lavanya Mata is joined. Yeah.
Okay, she joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Lavanya Mataji, you can hear us?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, so now we are going to have the Siksha commitments for 8 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Savnan Prabhu is uh, uh, going to speak on the commitments for 8 round, and you have to just repeat after him.
Commitments for Krishna Sadhaka. In addition to fulfilling the above mentioned commitments of Krishna Sevaka,
In addition to fulfilling above-mentioned commitments of Krishna Sevaka,
I will fulfill the following additional standards of
I will fulfill the following additional standards of
devotional service,
devotional service,
and I shall receive the blessings of
and I shall receive the blessings of
Sri Sri Jagannath,
Sri Jagannath,
Baladev,
Baladev,
and Devi Subhadra
and Devi Subhadra
to practice Krishna consciousness as a Krishna Sadhaka.
to practice Krishna consciousness
as a
as Krishna Sadhaka.
I will chant 8 to 12 runs of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day.
I will chant 8 to 12 rounds of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day.
I will lead a pure holy life
I will lead a pure holy life
by avoiding
by avoiding
intoxication,
intoxication,
alcoholic drinks,
alcoholic drinks,
meat eating,
meat eating,
gambling,
gambling,
and extramarital sex.
and extramarital sex.
I will study the books of Srila Prabhupada
I will study the books of Srila Prabhupada
and attend the classes in ISKCON
and attend the classes in ISKCON
as often as possible.
as often as possible.
At least the Sunday evening Bhagavad Gita class every week.
At least the Sunday evening Bhagavad Gita class every week.
I will worship Lord Krishna
I will worship Lord Krishna
as far as practical at home
as far as practical at home
by setting up an altar,
by setting up an altar,
offering arati and foodstuffs,
offering arti and foodstuffs,
worshipping the sacred Tulsi plant,
worshipping the sacred Tulsi plant,
and following basic sadhana
and following basic sadhana
like rising early in the morning.
like rising early in the morning.
I will observe fasting on the Ekadashi
I will observe fasting on the Ekadashi
and festival days
and festival days
as indicated in the Vaishnava calendar.
as indicated in the Vaishnava calendar.
I will be dedicated to leading a
I will be dedicated to leading a
devotional way of life
devotional way of life
by gradually learning
by gradually learning
and practicing Bhakti Yoga
and practicing Bhakti Yoga
according to the teachings of
according to the teachings of
Srila Prabhupada
Srila Prabhupada
under the guidance of his representatives.
under the guidance of his representatives.
Thank you
Hare
all.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
You can have darshan of, can pray to Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra.
Thanks to all the devotees. Then I would like to check if we have all the devotees who are going to take commitment for 12 round of Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day. Do we have Anju Mataji? You can unmute and you can just tell yes, Hare Krishna, or you can send a chat in case your audio is having some issue. Anju Mataji, you can hear me?
Anju Mataji is there.
Okay. Sumit Prabhuji is here.
Prabhu.
Then Sandhya Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Madhvi Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Ashwini Joshi Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. So now Shamnan Prabhu will read the Siksha commitment for 12 round. You have to repeat along with him and then take the blessings of Lord Jagannath, Baladev and Devi Subhadra, and then you will get your certificates. Hare Krishna. Yes, Prabhu, Shamnan Prabhu.
Commitments for Krishna Upasaka. In addition to the fulfilling the above mentioned commitments of Krishna Sadhaka,
In addition to fulfilling the above mentioned commitments of Krishna Sadhaka,
I will fulfill the following devotional standards of
I will fulfill the following additional standards of devotional
service, and I shall receive the blessings of
and I shall receive the blessings of
Shri Shri Jagannath, Baladev and Devi Subhadra
Shri Jagannath
Baladev and Devi Subhadra
to practice Krishna consciousness
to practice consciousness
as a Krishna Upasaka.
as
as
a
a Krishna Upasaka.
I will chant 12 to 16 rounds of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day.
I will chant 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day.
I will worship Tulasi Devi on a day-to-day basis.
I will worship Tulsi Devi on a day-to-day basis.
I will accept the acharyas in the Gaudiya Parampara.
I will accept the Acharya Gaudiya Parampara.
I will observe fasting for the appearance and disappearance of the previous acharyas.
I will observe fasting for the appearance and disappearance of the previous acharyas
As given in the Vaishnava calendar.
as given in the Vaishnava calendar.
I will observe fasting for the appearance days of the Lord.
I will observe fasting for the day of Lord
As given in the Vaishnava calendar.
as given in the Vaishnava calendar.
Thank you all. I will just so we can all have darshan of Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra and take the blessings.
Thanks, devotee. So I would like to know for Srila Prabhupada Ashraya, whether we have all the devotees. Hare Krishna Kripamay Prabhu. You can hear me?
Yes, Prabhu, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, so Shavnan Prabhu is also taking Srila Prabhupada Ashraya. So I would request you to read out the Siksha commitment for Srila Prabhupada Ashraya and give them their blessings so that they can progress on the path of devotional services. I would like to check, do we have Dr. Shavnan Prabhu and Banu Mataji?
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Hare Krishna Mataji. Shavnan Prabhuji is here. Manish Sharma Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, yes Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, thank you. So I would request Kripamai Gauranga Prabhu to read out the Siksha commitment for Srila Prabhupada Ashraya.
Okay, sure, Prabhu. So before I do that, I just want to actually speak a few words on this ceremony itself.
Yes.
Because what we are doing is actually kind of a commitment. We are actually trying to speak to the Lord that I will be following this level of standard. In return, the Lord actually give us an assurance that He will protect us and make us follow this commitment what we are doing. Now, if you are not able to follow this level, then you should actually go and tell the Lord, don't try to actually take it for granted, saying that I have taken 4 rounds, and if you don't chant 4 rounds, it's okay. Don't see like that. The Lord is a person. Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, Mai, and all the Vaishnavas actually are watching whatever commitment you are taking. So with that faith, you should actually take this commitment to your heart and then start following whatever regulations you're actually committing to. Especially when it comes to Srila Prabhupada Ashraya, now you are no longer a guest in ISKCON. You are going to be a part of ISKCON. Till now, you can always say, I'm actually a guest at ISKCON, I'm just studying and things like that. From now on, you will have to make sure that if somebody comes and attacks Srila Prabhupada or ISKCON for that matter, you should be able to refute them, not hit them or anything like that, but you should be able to philosophically refute them that whatever Srila Prabhupada has taught is actually the absolute truth. So from this point onwards, it becomes more responsible, right? So make sure that you, whoever has taken Siksha right now, go back, wherever is altar in your house, pay obeisances, tell them your heart saying that I'm actually trying to follow this, please bless me, and then try to follow it. Since we can't actually do it, ideally speaking, you should actually go and pay your obeisance to Srila Prabhupada, take his blessing, taking the blessings of all the Vaishnavas and go. Since we are not able to do that in the online way, we are trying to do this so that we can still continue in our path towards spiritual life. With that, I will actually try to talk about this.
Just one announcement, Prabhu. So because this is a free Zoom, so it may happen that the connection will disconnect for one time, and then you all have to again join.
Okay, sure. I think we should be able to do done. After this, is there anything else, Prabhu? Is there anybody taking Guru Ashra right now?
No one is taking Guru Ashra, Prabhu.
Okay. In addition to fulfilling the above mentioned commitments, I think you're on mute probably.
Yeah, you all can.
In addition to the, yes, bro. In addition to fulfilling the above mentioned commitments
of Krishna Upasaka, I will fulfill the following additional standard.
I will fulfill the following additional standards
of devotional service. And I shall receive the blessings of. Sri Sri Jagannath Baladev and Devi Subhadra.
Jagannath Baladev and Devi Subhadra.
To practice Krishna consciousness.
Krishna consciousness.
As a Srila Prabhupada Ashraya. First one. I will chant at least 16 rounds of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra every day.
I will chant at least 16 rounds of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra every day.
Second, I will strictly avoid intoxication. Including coffee and tea. Meat eating. Gambling. Cinema. Sports and illicit sex. I will also abstain. From taking onion and garlic. Third one, I will be well versed in the basics of Krishna conscious philosophy.
I will be well versed in the basics of Krishna conscious philosophy.
By reading the books of the Prabhupada. Systematically. And actively engaging in preaching. According to my capacity. To others about Krishna consciousness. Fourth, I will follow a strict sadhana program. At home. By rising early in the morning. And following a program similar. To the temple. As far as possible. I will also attend. At least one Bhagavatam class. at the temple every week.
At the temple every week.
Okay, so the temple mentioned here is actually our center. If you can actually visit the temple, that's good. But because of this COVID situation, you will not be able to visit. But wherever possible, attend online classes so that you learn the basics and then you become stronger in Krishna conscious philosophy. Okay, so now you can at home you can actually pay obeisance to Srila Prabhupada, and then inform that you're going to follow this. And after that, those who actually Srila Prabhupada, start planning for your Guru Ashraya. Okay. Thank you so much. Take darshan of Jagannath Brother Subhadra Mai and the Vaishnavas. All of them actually are there, and all the Vaishnavas should actually bless people who are taken Diksha so that they'll be able to follow this next.
Hari Bol.
It's got over to you.
Yeah. Shavnan Prabhu, you can share Srila Prabhupada's picture as well for everyone to take his
Sure,
blessing.
Prabhu. One second, Prabhu. Yeah.
So everyone can take blessings of Srila Prabhupada so that they can follow the commitment that they have given to Srila Prabhupada, and they can nicely progress on the path of devotional services, on the path toward initiation. Because after this, there will be next step is Guru Ashra, and the papers are there in depending upon with which Guru you are aspiring from. So accordingly, there are set of papers that you have to fill, and any devotee who is willing to take Guru Ashra, they should let us know, and we'll share the appropriate documents that they have to fill in for Guru Ashra. Thanks. Any devotee who missed joining the session earlier and they missed taking their Siksha commitment? Do we have any devotee who missed joining earlier and now has joined? So,
Gaurav Prabhu,
yes.
Is there a way you can actually get the snap of all the devotees who are taken Siksha as a group photo?
I'll see. I'm not very actually.
Actually, you can do, Prabhu, this gallery view you can open.
Do you know how to do that?
You can open, Prabhu. Shravan Prabhu.
Yeah. But I have to connect from my camera in this laptop is not working, Prabhu. So I have to connect from my another laptop.
No, it's okay. Then whoever actually has pictures can
Prabhu,
take it.
I have access, but not everyone has enabled their camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only
So
I can see 5, 6.
whoever has enabled, just
You can
need
take
to
a
get
snap.
Okay.
Gaurav Prabhuji, you can open the laptop and go to the participant list. All those devotees will be.
Yeah, participants I can see. Yeah. Okay.
The participant will be there, and in the home page also, if you open from desktop, it will be there. Shravan Prabhu, can you open that Zoom page, Zoom application?
Yes, Prabhu. 1 second.
Yeah,
I'm sharing my screen, right?
That Zoom application.
Yeah, Prabhu. Is there? I'm not able to maximize this. I don't know why. You're able to see my screen now, Prabhu?
Still, Prabhupada photo is displayed only. So if you are opening that Zoom application.
Okay. Only, okay. You're still seeing Prabhupada's photo? Okay, 1 second.
Wait a minute. I will share, Prabhu. You can just let me know what I have to.
Prabhu, I got the snap, Prabhu. Where should I share?
Yeah, then probably what you can do, Aparaj Prabhu, is put it in the group, or you just send it across to me. I need to inform the people that I actually have the
Okay.
So anything else, Gaurav?
No, Prabhu, thanks everyone for participating over an online platform. So you'll all get your digitally signed certificate after this session, and those who have missed will Pransaki Mataji will be sharing an Skype link. Those who have issues with the Zoom link, and we'll have Siksha commitments for those devotees over Skype. So thanks everyone. Thanks for your time. Kripa Mein Prabhu, do you want to say something? Last word?
No, Prabhu, no, it's good enough. So be in association of devotees, and then together we can inspire each other and work for it. That's all I can say.
Okay. Thanks.
Hare
everyone.
Krishna,
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna,
Thank you.
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Prabhu.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
आकाश बंद करछो
पाण्याचा मीडिया